How to do lock knots. Step by step.
Step 1. Ray twist new growth.
Step 2. Create rope twist.
Step 3. Secure ends.
Step 4. Fold lock to desired length.
Step 5. Twist the other half down the rope twist. Step 6. Secure knot by taking end and pull it through loop. Now you try it and let me know how it went in comments.
Okay, so now that I showed you the technique slowly, I'm going to show you the ending results right here. This is one way you can do the style. It's so many different ways you can do it. The lock knots are like rope twists, you know, they're very versatile. So I'm going to show you how to do it again, but I'm going to slow it down for those that didn't catch that. So like I stated before, you're going to make sure you twist the new growth. I usually do mine section by section instead of retwisting the new growth at one time and then going back and styling it. And then I rope twist it all the way down to the ends. Make sure you secure those ends. Okay, another tip when doing lock knots is you want to make sure you measure the length that you want them. So if you want them in a bob, you need to make sure that you do every one, because it's going to lay just how you wrap it. Wherever you start wrapping it, you know, that's where it's going to lay. So if you want some to be longer than the others, like if you're trying to get the asymmetrical look, so you want to make sure that they're falling how you want them to. Another tip is you want to make sure that you are pulling the lock knots. Once you finish and secure it, you want to make sure you pull the top of it down, because that is making it tighter to secure the lock knot and make sure that it doesn't come loose. As you're about to see me do right now, once I pull it through, then I pull it down. And here is the end results. This is another way you can wear it, just wearing it down. So it has a lot of versatility. It also depends on how many locks your client has, how thick they are. All that's going to play a factor. But thanks for watching. This has been another Lockslation production.